we have the Bitcoin halving coming up in under a year. So it's really nice to see sort of a lot of these different things coming together to prep us for this, hopefully for a really brilliant bull market in 2024 and 2025. But let's start with XRP. I think if XRP is a security, then everything is a security, because they're all the same. Essentially, money was invested and something was given in return for that money, which was invested, which is the token. And that really is what a security is by the US definition. So I think that's really positive news. Obviously it would really affect the market if the entire ecosystem was classed as security. So I think that's really great news. I'm still not 100% sure about the future of XRP, because I know that they did file something to the SEC, or the judges, they filed something to potentially look into that again. I know Gary Gensler isn't particularly happy with the outcome of that, so they could potentially go back on that. I'm not sure, we'll have to see, but right now that's definitely possible, and right now it is definitely positive news. In terms of the spot Bitcoin ETF, it's truly unbelievable. And it's not just BlackRock, it's Fidelity, it's Vanguard, it's nearly every single fund manager. They've all filed for that Bitcoin spot ETF, and it's such bullish news. Could you imagine if every fund manager allocates not 1%, not 0.1%, but just 0.01% of their funds to Bitcoin, an asset which is only getting more scarce? I mentioned the halving next year. What do you think will happen to Bitcoin? It will simply go through the roof. It will go to the moon. And there currently isn't enough liquidity anyway. Bitcoin is actually a very illiquid asset. And so all these fund managers allocating just a tiny percentage of their funds to Bitcoin, I think is going to send it through the roof. That's why I tell people, I tell retail investors that they desperately need to get in before the smart money gets in, to truly utilize the opportunity that is Bitcoin. And just remind me what you